Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Asana desktop app for offline task access, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Asana desktop app for offline task access, begin by visiting the official Asana website. Open your preferred web browser and enter www.asana.com in the address bar. Once the Asana homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to go to the login page. If you don't have an account, choose the option to sign up. After logging in, navigate to the bottom of the page. Scroll until you find the download link. Click on Download to be directed to the download options. Select the version compatible with your operating system, either Windows or Mac OS. Once you choose your operating system, the download should start automatically. Wait for the download to complete. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. Once the installation is complete, launch the Asana app. Log in with your existing Asana credentials. Now you can access your tasks offline. Remember, any updates will sync once you reconnect to the internet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.